Right, I'm at one of my favourite places again. Waterside. Waterside Pool it's called, and it's in Ryde on the Isle of Wight. I've come here and I've been attacked by birds. I call it Bird World. And you just don't know what's going to happen. So I just saw a kite flying over just now. But I didn't film it very well, unfortunately. So if I just put my camera up in the air at the moment, because unfortunately there's people here. They're alright.
Are you walking that way?
Yeah, I am, yeah. I'll come here to feed them. Yeah, they're not dangerous.
No.
They will bite you, right? These ones. Swans are worse, okay? I'm the bird lover man on YouTube. I come here every year. Yeah. I come here last year and I was attacked by these birds. No, but they're alright, look. They don't really like being touched.
Oh, look at that one.
These can break your arms. Well, I've got 3 children. You know, they're all grown up now.
I'm always so
So,
frightened, because then when they look
no, honestly, they won't harm you unless you've got a lot of food on you.
right.
They're going to harm me.
Always
When I pull my food out in a minute, they're going to come and attack me. Yeah, loads of them. You know, so these are quite rare. These two. But yeah, you'll find me on the bird lover man on YouTube.
Bird lover man.
I want to travel around feeding pigeons.
Oh.
You know, so something to do, isn't it? I'm trying to teach people to love birds more, because
I wish I did.
some people love them and some people hate them.
Yeah, I don't like them.
It's the same as spiders, alright?
Yeah.
Do you love spiders or do you hate them? Because I taught my daughter they're butterflies, but they've lost their wings. So you've got to feel sorry for them, alright? You know, so...
I did dislike spiders, but I'm a bit brave now, aren't I?
Yeah, I'm going to go further up here because there's more birds up here, right? So I'm going to stop on that seat there. But you're safe, don't worry. They're not tigers. If there were tigers and lions, then don't walk down here. Alright? No, one time I was feeding them, this girl passed by, you know, and she didn't want to pass, she was scared of them. And I thought, what's wrong with you?
Yeah.
You know, there's nothing, you know, don't fear them.
I never feared them as a kid, but as I got older, I'm a bit like, oh.
No.
Once Dad took me down and we gave them some bread.
Yeah, no, you know, swans can be, you know, be a bit vicious, you know, but again, yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they? They're quite rare, I think. Yeah, they're different. Yeah, I'm going to sit here, I think. Alright, have a good day, alright? Yeah, don't be afraid of them. Seagulls are a bit nasty. I'll be honest with you, birds have got different personalities, you know, it's like pigeons are a bit like parrots, okay, they're a little bit happier, you know, and birds have got different personalities. Yeah, they are. I can't remember what you call these, actually. I should know, because I've studied birds for 55 years now. Yeah.
What is it on YouTube?
I'm the bird loving man. I'm Darren Love on Facebook, but I don't do it anymore. Facebook, I give it up. But I've got thousands of subscribers there. I'm quite famous on Facebook. All right. Have a good day, yeah. And don't be scared of the birds. They're more scared of you. So that was nice, wasn't it? So that was a walk down with that couple there, those 2 children there. Look at this. We're going to have a bird feast, don't we? I think we're going to have swans here. I think we're going to have I can't remember what you call these little things, you know, look at them, they're like penguins. Hello. They're like mini Canadian geese. Look at that. Oh, do they like that? I think they do. Let's try to get it over there. So let's see. I didn't bring any bread. Swan is coming. Got a herring gull. ducks, pigeons. Look at these, they're baby herring gulls. So she was really quite scared of the birds, really, wasn't she? Look at them all. Hundreds of them. Yeah. There's birds behind me. Come on, get. Look at all these herring gulls. Quite a few of them. Hundreds of little. They're quite young, aren't they? These herring gulls. They're all young. They're all young. Every one of these herring gulls are only about a year old, I think. Oh, that's an adult there. Look. Look. I think it's a. I think that's a herring gull. So we've got some beautiful pigeons here. Look at that beautiful white one there. Get here. Look, looks like Mark. Mark, what are you doing over here? Mark. This one's got a funny head. Got a funny haircut, that duck. What have you done to your head? What are you doing? He's helping himself. Bird world, I call this. And they're not all here. There's loads down there still. It's coming down here now. It's cruel, aren't they? But they're beautiful, aren't they? I'm going to have to sort of. I did sort of like know the name once, but I've forgotten. Like you do. So as you get older, you kind of forget. Look at these two fighting. What's going to happen? Here's a swan. Oh, look, the swan's coming up. The boss. He's a bit gentle, he's not too bad. I was worried that he's going to snap my hand in that. Ouch. 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 Get out of there. The seagull's not really eating anything because they don't like it, this food. There's more pigeons down there. I'm going to go down there. These will follow me probably. Alright, I'll put my camera there for a minute. Bear with me, I'll just put my nuts away. Right. Another seagulls, another swan's come out. Look at the size of their feet. I bet you they will follow me down here, but what I want to do is make sure I haven't left anything. What I want to do is see the pigeons down here. I don't know why they can't see me, there's more white ones down here. So these are quite young, I think. That one's hopping. How beautiful is this? A walk down Waterside. So that lady was scared of the birds. So there's more pigeons here. There's another mark. Got a black towel. Looks a a bit like legging. Right, let's try to get some more food out. Hello, mate. Okay. Can't remember what you call them. Someone's trying to get out. So I've got a few more birds, different birds here. They followed me. No, they're still eating the food down there. Quite a big lake, isn't it? And you've got that in the middle there. The birds probably nest there. Wait, get out of it. Look at this. Like machines, aren't they? They're going to eat it all. Get out of it. Get out of it, you pig. I'm going to put it away for another day. That's it, I've had enough of you all. So let's have a look at these pigeons here. He's got black wings, black eye. Hello, mate. Hello. That's a white goose. I've seen that one before. He's pecking me on the back for food. Wait. So I enjoyed that. I'm gonna go home because. Hello, mate. Come for a walk with me. Woof, woof. Beautiful day. It's always beautiful when the sun is out, that's for sure. So, I think I'll call that a day. Hope you enjoyed that. Oh, there's a beautiful swan. Love them. Hope you enjoyed that. Here's that goose, white goose. It's young, I think, because it's brown, because it's young, I think. Alright, I'm going now. See you later, mate. 3 swans here altogether. 4, sorry. So let's go this way and I'll just pack up, I think. It's beautiful. The birds love being near the water, don't they? There is. Yeah. There's 3 swans behind me and there's 1 swan here. Oh, there's some swans over there too, I think. So there's a bit more, quite a few swans here. I love watching swans fly. So look how many different birds there are there. They sound happy to me today. Granite, I think. I think they're called granite, but I probably am wrong. Maybe granite. Good. Right, I'm going to call it a day. Mr. Angry, look how fat this one is. Big mate. Little monster. Much bigger than that one there, look. Size. Little beast. Right, have a good day. Love all birds. And be happy.